This compact yet high-performance system is designed to produce casing-free meat sticks jerky from minced meat and traditional sausages with maximum efficiency. The RK50U is equipped with multiple interchangeable nozzles. Flat products can be formed with nozzle widths ranging from 25 millimeters to 200 millimeters, while cylindrical meat or fish sticks can be made with diameters from 8 millimeters to 20 millimeters, across up to 25 simultaneous streams. Operators can easily manage the entire process using a remote control while placing products onto trays using a specially designed overhead rack for efficient workflow. A key advantage of the RK50U is its compatibility with a vacuum station and automatic clipper, enabling the highest quality sausage production without air pockets and with maximum output. The system integrates seamlessly via a 24-volt signal. HydroShpriz RK50U is our top-performing model for launching or expanding your production of modern meat snacks without using natural casing. Don't miss our fully robotic solutions for product forming and cutting with automatic tray handling systems designed for high-volume automated workflows.